sex with her client inside the Broward County Jail was back in court today trying to get her client freed on bond. But this comes after her exclusive interview with Local 10's Bob Norman last week, in which she denied the incident and said her client was set up. Bob's back now to tell us what happened today.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jessica Michala on behalf of Mr. Granda.
Attorney Jessica Michala was back in court today with her client Israel Granda, this time to convince Judge Alona Holmes to grant him bond so he can get out of the Broward County Jail, the place where she was accused of having sex with him during an attorney-client visit last month.
That allegation is false.
She argued that Granda was being targeted by guards after he became a confidential informant in a contraband investigation targeting Broward Sheriff's deputies.
He was documented as a confidential informant by the Broward Sheriff's Office.
She claimed Granda, who was accused of attempted murder, was no longer safe in the jail and therefore should be granted bond. But prosecutor Yale Gam argued Granda was a violent criminal who would be a danger to the community if released.
I would ask Your Honor to take everything Mr. Granda has to say with a grain of salt. He is extraordinarily manipulative. He is extraordinarily dishonest. Completely inappropriate.
Before Judge Holmes ruled, she gave Michala a surprise apology for BSO's treatment of her.
Posting your photo, saying you're banned from all the jails, that was knee-jerk, and it should not have happened. And if the Sheriff's Office hasn't apologized to you, I will. But I don't work for him. I'm not a part of that.
But then Holmes laid down her no-nonsense decision
Ms. Michala,
on whether or not to let Granda go.
it would be an abuse of my discretion to put Mr. Granda on the street. So your motion to set bond is denied.
Bob Norman, Local 10 News.
Michala is allowed again now to visit Granda at the jail to work on his criminal case, but only with a pane of glass separating them at all times.